Hey guys, I am Tim the Great here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone about 20 times faster. I know it sounds crazy, but it's completely true, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So basically what you need is this tweak from Cydia. I'll show you what it's called right here. And it is called Speed Intensifier. And you also are going to need a Speed Intensifier add-on. My camera will focus, it'll show you, but yeah, sorry my camera's not focusing, but so there you go. You just download those two things from the Insanely I repo. I'll provide the link in the description to that repo if you want to download it. But what this thing does is you can actually go into settings. Here, I'll show you real quick. You can go into settings, you can go to Speed Intensifier, and you can choose how fast you want your transitions to be, which is super cool. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or infinity, which is just no transition at all, and it is just super fast. So I'll show you what 5 looks like. So if I wanted to go to 5, I can just exit out. It's super fast, but it doesn't actually increase your overclock, which is the cool thing about this this tweak, is that it does increase your overclock when you put on the add-on. There's been other tweaks from Cydia like this, called like fake clock up or anything like that. And this will actually clock up your device if you install the add-on, which I will provide in the description. So I can just go into Winterboard, and if I wanted to, you can click SI overclock, but I'm not going to right now just because my device is pretty low on battery. I know it doesn't look like it, but it is. But it's pretty cool, guys. It makes your device so much faster. I definitely recommend picking it up. It is completely free in the Insanely I repo, and you guys should definitely get it. And if you guys like videos like this, kind of like tweaks, iPhone 4 videos, all kinds of stuff like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I really do appreciate it. And make sure you leave a comment below. You can leave a like or dislike. I don't really care. Just rate the video. And I'll see you guys later. Also, if you want to be featured in next week's Shoutout Sunday, which is a series where I take videos from the community and I upload them to my channel. Last week I did a white iPhone 4 unboxing, and so if you guys want to be featured on that, personal message me or leave a comment below telling me why you want to be on it, or why do you deserve it, or something like that. And I'll try my best to get you featured in my next Shoutout Sunday. So, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Tim the Great, signing out.